Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang.
Okay, we're in this street right here. This is our little street. I don't know if that helps at all. But we're kind of checking out this right here. This is kind of interesting. But we're going to show you a little bit of the street and walk up and walk down a little bit. I found a yoga shop, I think it's on this way. We're going to see if I can see it or not. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. Okay, so I was just walking around this area. Sun is kind of bright. That looks pretty cool too. You can actually get up there and be on that third floor. Those are our apartments, I think, lodging. Then this one, I just kind of saw this, like in the evening, I bet this would be all filled up with people. You could sit, have a little coffee or whatever you want. Sit in all these chairs here. Looks great. Or you could also be inside as well. I think it's basically like fresh juices and teas. So we're gonna walk down this Target Street. So usually if I film, I usually walk down different areas and I try to get a feel for what places look like. The barber shop. Okay. Like little private residences, apartments, balconies. Looks like you can park your car on the sidewalk if you're a resident in some of these. It's kind of funny they park on the sidewalk. They could park, some of them park on the here too, so I guess you can kind of park wherever you want to park. It does make it hard to use the sidewalks if you're walking, but I guess a lot of people don't walk here. They're usually on the bikes. Some cool architecture over there. So I think, oh okay, let's see what's up here. I think I saw like a big giant yoga studio thing with a fitness thing, so I'm a little bit curious what that looks like. It's like a chicken restaurant. That looks amazing. This one right there, they have this little ladder that goes up to the rooftop, a little walkway up the top. It's like a little labyrinth of cool stuff. There's a chicken place over there. I really like the architecture. This one you can sit outside. If you like to sit outside. In Vietnam, you can sit in these places and get stuff from the convenience store. So you could get, some people will drink beer there if they want. Or just drink your soda to get your potato chips or whatever you want. But yeah, there's more sitting out here. So it's kind of nice that you can get that and be outside. Let's see, this looks pretty interesting. Buon Bia. So I think it's a beer shop. That looks really nice. Okay. All kinds of uniquely Vietnamese things. Oh, so it's kind of, I guess it is a beer shop. You got a big Heineken there, so I guess you can drink and eat right in here. Actually, it's, hello. Looks very good. Oh, that's very good. Huh. Looks pretty interesting. So I think, let me just see if that's up in the corner is this yoga physical fitness thing. No, maybe not. Maybe that one's further down. But anyways, one of my goals in this channel anyways is just kind of just let you see all the different stuff. I think a lot of tourists don't really come over here. That looks like a pretty interesting building right there. Let's just go up to the corner and see what's all around here. This is a mart. Some shopping. This looks like the main street. There's something for Lao. There's Thailand, Lao. Let's see what that is. They got a beer Lao in here. That's all Laotian stuff. So you got beer Lao right there. And I think there's also a restaurant in here too. So that one says Laotian food and tiger. Huh, okay. Oh yeah, this is Lao right there, Lao food. Let's kind of see. It's really cool. So you can sit outside and kind of take a look around here. So, okay. And now we're on this street with these nice sidewalks everywhere. So if you're in Danang and you're kind of tired of walking in the tourist areas where the sidewalk is a bit limited, you can come up this way and it's a lot different. I'm gonna walk across the street, see what's over there. Let's see if I can get across here. This is Artisan Gelato. I see some pretzels and donuts over there. Pizza, Mai hamburger. Okay. So yeah, some nice big sidewalks for walking. And if I was to continue on, I'd go down that way. But I think I'm not. I'm just gonna in my street right here and try to do some research and find out where that yoga physical fitness stuff is at. And as far as streets go, we are right here. So if you're in Danang and you want to find something a little bit different,